everyone. Last week in the previous video I have started with this chapter number 7, the real strength. So half of the chapter we have done. So today we are going to continue with this chapter. So up to here we have done already, so we'll start from here. Each and every man is quite different from the other. In other words, everyone is a unique person. At the same time, he lives in a society. So in order to become a unique person in the society, he should possess an attractive personality with the difference. The great men of the world realized their own individual capacities and capitalized on them. When they met failures, they did not give up. So they earned fame and repute all across the globe. So in this paragraph they have said each and every person is unique. Every person has their own talents. Every person lives in the same society. But they all are unique person. So they perform, they have to develop some attractive personality that he should be means alag se dikhe. So by that attractive personality, when they meet failure, they did not give up. क्यों? क्योंकि वो अपने आप को इतने निखारते गए, इतना अच्छा अपने आप को बनाते गए कि जब फेलियर्स आते गए उन्होंने हार नहीं मानी जब तक वो उस पोजीशन पे ना पहुंच गए जहाँ पर उन्होंने अपनी शोहरत और अपनी ज़िंदगी अच्छी ना बना ली. So everyone is unique, everyone has a different talent, but everyone has to show up in a different way and in a unique style of showing up. So in order to utilize the dormant capacities and abilities, we should have will to win. Dormant means हमारे हर किसी के अंदर कोई ना कोई छुपी हुई हमारे अंदर क्वालिटीज़ होती है, उसे हमारी एबिलिटीज़ को बाहर निकालना है और यूज़ करने की कोशिश करनी है. In such a conditions, the dormant powers will wake up and will become active. They will ready at your commands to face any situation. You may face failure there, but those failures will be transformed into a valuable lessons for you. They appear in front of you like teachers and elders to teach and help you. So you should be intelligent enough to learn good lessons from your simple, unpleasant experiences. So usually we lack this ability and become a man of depression. Yes. तो इसमें देखिए क्या बोला गया है. डोर्मेंट पावर्स जब भी वेकअप होंगे, एक्टिव होंगे, जब आप दूसरों के कमांड्स को फेस करना सीखेंगे. यू मे फेस फेलियर. कुछ सीखने के लिए आप हारोगे भी. बहुत सारे लेसन्स ऐसे होंगे जिसमें आप कामयाब नहीं होगे, मगर हमेशा आपके टीचर्स या आपके कोई भी पेरेंट्स हो सकते, कोई भी उनके कमांड्स को अच्छे से सुनो. अगर आप इंटेलिजेंट हो तो आप अपने डोर्मेंट पावर्स को यूज़ कर पाओगे. मगर बहुत से लोग होते हैं वो उस डोर्मेंट पावर को यूज़ नहीं कर पाते एंड दे टर्न आउट इनटू अ डिप्रेशन. सो वी ट्राई टू लीव एवरीथिंग इन टू चांस. मतलब चांस आएगा तब हम कर लेंगे. बट एन इंटेलिजेंट मैन डेवलप्स अ माइंड टू बिकम डिफरेंट एंड यूनिक फ्रॉम इन हिमसेल्फ. ओके, सो दे डिड नॉट think that a chance will be given to them. They used to grab the opportunity and for themselves that they can show up their talent. Next page. Get up from your sleep. It is the time to react. Ramananda was a handsome young man who lost both of his hands. Can you imagine the condition of a young man who has lost both of his hands? Your mind will tell you that he is of no use. It is natural way of thinking. There is no novelty in that. But when a man tries to raise himself above his thought, he becomes significant. This is what Ramananda did. He accepted nature as the largest canvas in front of him. He trained his toes to hold the brush for him. At first, it was difficult for him, but a steady mind, continuous practice, and a will to win helped him to hold the painting brush with the help of his toes. Later, he became the paint picture on a little canvas in front of him with his toes. At first, people did not accept anything great from him. They even laughed at him, turning away from the society. Ramananda was determined that to make a new world for him. The determination and perseverance made him a great artist. His paintings were displayed in the exhibitions hall. So he won the mind of thousands. Thus, a man once discarded by many proved that he was much better than others. See, this is a very beautiful story of Ramananda. He lost his both hands, but he utilized that both legs as their hands. The nature was his canvas, and he started painting. First he failed. Many times he failed. Many people say unwanted things to him. He never felt depressed, but he was determined that I have to do it. Everyone used to laugh at him, but he never gave up. He was determined, and his perseverance made him that one day his painting was in the exhibition, displayed in the exhibition halls, and everyone appreciated it. So think of it. So this could be the real story in our life. We are like Ramananda, handicapped, not physically but mentally. हम भी कैसे हैं? रामानंदा की तरह हैं. हमारे हाथ पैर सब कुछ है, मगर दिमाग से हम अभी भी क्या हैं? फिजिकल मीन्स क्रिपल्ड का मतलब होता है दिमाग से बिल्कुल अपाहिज है हम. We must try to break the shell of inferiority feeling, depression and laziness and come out of the wind to win the world. मतलब हमारे अंदर inferiority means बहुत ही अंदर घुटते रहते हैं, सोचते हैं कि नहीं ये कैसे सोचेंगे, दूसरे क्या बोलेंगे, सोसाइटी क्या बोलेगी. हम दूसरों के बारे में सोचने से ज़्यादा अपने बारे में नहीं सोचते. इसके वजह से हमारे अंदर inferiority feelings आ जाती है. इवन देखिए किसी को डांस आता है मगर वो दूसरे के सामने नहीं करते. क्यों? क्योंकि ये लगता है कि वो मेरे पर हंसेंगे, मजाक उड़ाएंगे. आपको क्वेश्चंस आते हैं, यू कैन स्पीक, बट इन फ्रंट ऑफ एवरीवन यू आर नॉट एबल टू स्पीक, लाइक इन द असेंबली. सो यू थिंक दैट इफ आई विल से इवन अ सिंगल वर्ड, everyone will laugh at you. So ये फीलिंग हमारे अंदर घुटते हम डिप्रेशन में पहुंच जाते हैं, लेजीनेस हो जाते हैं, तो हम इसलिए अपनी कैपेबिलिटीज़ को उभार नहीं पाते. सो द स्टोरी ऑफ रामानंदा शुड give us a new impetus. With perseverance and hard work, we can also reach our great goals in life. Then the world will acknowledge our efforts. So in this lesson, what all things you have learned? Always face the challenge. Always think about the task. Find the ways to conquer. Never leave anything unsolved. Follow the living examples from the society. So as I have told you in the previous class, to do this story, many of the students have done the story, read the story, showed me the answer. Well done.